guys, we are now here at Masakrot Spring. This is one of the attractions here in Busulan, Sorsogon. Maganda siya. It's not man-made. Nature, as you can see. It's really beautiful. Okay, Sorsogon is beautiful. Bye guys.